Welcome back. In this demo, we are going to see how to use exist and all operators in SQL Server. Let's get it started by creating three tables inside the HR database. So customers, employees, and employees one, those are the three tables. So I'm going to insert rows inside these three tables. Customers table contains Arun Anand. Employees table contains Arun, Jennifer, and Ramya. And employees one table contains Arun. So Jennifer and Ramya is present in employees table, is not present in the customers table. Employees one and customer tables, all the rows are matching. When I say all, Arun is matching at least. Let's understand the exist operator and see how we are going to use in SQL Server. What is exist operator? The exist operator is used to test the existence of any record in a subquery. Suppose you are having a subquery. Any record comes out of the subquery, exist operator will test it. So it returns true if subquery returns one or more records. Let's look at an example. What I'm doing is a correlated subquery. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm selecting from the customers table where I'm not using any operator here. Just I'm not comparing with any column. I'm just saying where exist. So exist, we're not comparing any columns or record. Just any row comes from the subquery, then it means as taking as exist, and then it is giving the output. So where exist, select one from employee. So why I'm not giving any column? Because we are not doing column comparison. You can give 1 to 10 or you can give any column name as well, doesn't matter. But exist is not doing a column comparison. So I'm giving as one, select one from employees where A dot first name equal to B dot first name. So A is a customer table. So we are using the outer query table inside the subquery. So that is called correlated subquery. So we are going to run this query and see what happens. Yeah, so Arun is present in both the table employees and customers. So exist returns true when one value is present and then it returns the output as Arun from the customers table. So that is how it is going to work. Now you can use not exist scenario where you want to return the value which is not present in the employees table. So let's run this query. Now we are going to get the output as Anand. So Anand is present only in customers table, not present in the employees table. And that is why we are returning the value Anand when you are using not exist condition. Let's use the any operator. What is the any operator? Any operator returns true if any one of the subquery values meet the condition. If you look at the any operator closely, I'm going to use the same tables. So let's start from customers where, but I'm comparing with a column here. Where in exist, I don't compare. Where first name equal to, so first name I'm comparing here. You can use any operators like greater than, less than, all the operators are available for comparison. So where first name equal to any, select first name from employees one. Any one record that is present even from the employees table, then we are going to use that and we are returning those values from customers. Let's test it out. You see that Arun is present in the employees table and also in customers table. So one record is present, not all the records are matching, so is returning the values. The only thing you need to notice is any and exist returns the same value, but any you can use a comparative operator, exist doesn't matter for us. Then if you want to go into the all operator, what the all operator does. The all operator returns true if any one of the subquery values meets the condition. So select star from customers where first name equal to all of the same query, and I'm using the employees one table here. So employees table one table contains Arun, so it is also containing Arun. So it should match actually. Then we are going to test it out. See that we are getting the value as Arun because all the records are matching. Let me use the employees table and check the all condition. Where when you look into the employees table, there are two more rows extra compared to the customers table. So we are going to test this with all conditions and see what happens. We are not returning any rows. Similarly, if you use this employee table, let's see what happens for the any condition. For the any condition you will receive, you will get the output as one row. Now what we understood from this, any operator, if any one value of the subquery matches with that condition, then that query will execute. For all the records has to match to get the output. So that is the difference between any operator and all operator.